Your Family God's Way by Wayne Mack. Circuit Jammers to Family Communication. You must be more brilliant than Einstein, said the student to his professor one day after class. Amazed and flattered, the professor inquired, "Why do you say that?" "Well," the student explained, "they say only 8 people in the world could understand Einstein. But nobody can understand you." Talking and communicating are not necessarily the same thing, as that professor found out. What causes jammed communication circuits in the home? A disparity between verbal and non-verbal communication is one cause. Overtalk is a second culprit. But there are additional communication blockers, and the Bible will help us to understand what they are. Ephesians 4 verse 25 to 30. Therefore, laying aside falsehood, speak truth, each one of you, with his neighbor, for we are members of one another. Be angry, and yet do not sin. Do not let the sun go down on your anger, and do not give the devil an opportunity. Let no unwholesome word proceed from your mouth, but only such a word as is good for edification according to the need of the moment, that it may give grace to those who hear. And do not grieve the Holy Spirit of God, by whom you were sealed for the day of redemption.